Good day viewers, let's discuss tips for investing in multifamily properties today. Investing in multifamily properties can be a lucrative venture, but it requires careful consideration and strategic planning. In this video, we will share valuable tips and insights for aspiring investors looking to dive into the multifamily real estate market. 1. Conduct thorough market research. Before diving into multifamily property investment, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research. Explore different neighborhoods, assess rental demand, and analyze market trends to identify promising investment opportunities. 2. Set clear investment goals. Define your investment goals and objectives before purchasing a multifamily property. Determine whether you're seeking short-term cash flow, long-term appreciation, or a combination of both, and align your investment strategy accordingly. 3. Perform due diligence. Perform comprehensive due diligence on potential multifamily properties. Evaluate the property's financial performance, assess its condition and maintenance history, and review rental agreements and lease terms to uncover any potential risks or liabilities. 4. Calculate your return on investment, ROI. Calculate your potential return on investment, ROI, before making a purchase decision. Consider factors such as rental income, operating expenses, property taxes, and financing costs to determine the property's cash flow and overall profitability. 5. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with a team of real estate professionals to support your multifamily property investment endeavors. This may include real estate agents, property managers, contractors, and legal advisors who can provide valuable expertise and guidance. 6. Implement a solid property management strategy. Effective property management is essential for success in multifamily property investment. Develop a solid management strategy to attract and retain quality tenants, address maintenance issues promptly, and maximize occupancy rates and rental income. 7. Diversify your portfolio. Consider diversifying your multifamily property portfolio to spread risk and enhance long-term stability. Explore opportunities in different markets, property types, and investment strategies to create a well-rounded and resilient investment portfolio. 8. Stay updated on market trends. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators that may impact multifamily property investment. Monitor changes in rental demand, interest rates, and local regulations to make informed investment decisions and adapt your strategy as needed. Conclusion. Investing in multifamily properties can offer attractive returns and portfolio diversification, but it requires careful planning and execution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate investment tips and resources. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.